Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I am happy you are here today. On this channel, stories become your teacher. We practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully and repeat after me with a small delay. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English instead of translating. Today's story is called I Hate Mondays. It is about a real school morning that many students understand very well. You will practice daily routines, feelings, and clear sentences. Relax your shoulders and breathe slowly. If a line feels fast, pause and repeat. Are you ready? Let us begin. Sunday night, the quiet, sad feeling.
It is Sunday night. The weekend feels very short. I sit on my bed and look at my school bag. My books are inside. My uniform is ready. Nothing bad happened today, but my heart feels heavy. I feel sad. Not big sad, just quiet sad. I know Monday is coming. That is why I feel this way. I check my phone one last time, then I turn off the light. I lie down and close my eyes. I tell myself to sleep.
Morning alarm Monday starts too early.
Beep, beep, beep. My alarm clock rings. The sound feels too loud. It cuts through my sleep. I open my eyes slowly. My head feels heavy. The room is dark. Only a little light comes in. The bed is warm. The air outside feels cold. I turn my face to the pillow. I close my eyes again. Just one more minute. I want to stay in bed. I pull the blanket over my head. The blanket feels safe. The world feels far away. I hear footsteps in the hall. They come closer. I hear my mom at the door. Time to get up. You do not want to be late for school. Her voice is calm, but it is firm. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out slowly. I sigh, a long sigh. I sit up, my feet touch the cold floor. I stretch my arms, my body feels stiff. I look at the clock. It is early. Too early. Monday has started.
Getting ready, fast body, slow brain.
I get dressed quickly. My hands move fast. But my brain feels slow, very slow. I go to the kitchen. The light is bright. I eat toast, only toast. There is no time for anything else. I drink some water. I grab my bag, phone, keys, bus card. Everything is there. Because I run out of the house,
Catch the bus, crowded and noisy.
I see the school bus at the corner. I run faster. I catch the bus just in time. The door closes behind me. Inside, the bus is crowded. Many students, many bags, many voices. I cannot find a seat. I stand and hold the rail. The bus moves and stops again. I feel sleepy. My eyes feel heavy. I look out the window and wait.
First class, slow like a turtle.
I arrive at school. My first class is math. I usually like math, but not on Mondays. The teacher talks and writes on the board. Numbers move slowly in my head. My brain feels slow like a turtle. The teacher asks a question. I look at my book. I hope my name is not called.
Lunchtime comes.
The bell rings, chairs move, bags open. I sit with my friends at the table. We eat and talk. The noise around us is soft and busy. Someone says Mondays are the worst. We all laugh. Another friend looks up and asks, "Why cannot every day be Saturday?" We laugh again. For a short moment, everything feels light. We forget about homework. We forget about tests. We just sit together. We smile, but deep inside, we know the truth. Class is not finished yet. The bell rings again. The sound feels different this time. We stand up slowly. We carry our bags. We walk back to class. With small steps. Monday is not over yet.
Gym class, no energy left.
After lunch, I have gym class. I usually like gym class. I like running and games, but today I feel tired, very tired. The teacher asks us to run. I try, but my legs feel heavy. I just want to sit down and rest. Monday takes my energy away.
Going home, Tuesday is coming.
Finally, the school day ends. The bell rings. The sound feels soft and sweet. I pack my books. I close my bag. I walk out of the classroom. The hallway is loud for a moment. Then it slowly becomes quiet. I go home. The walk feels easier now. My shoulders feel lighter. At home, I sit at my desk. I open my notebook. I do my homework. I read each question slowly. I write one answer at a time. I am still tired, but I am calmer. I feel a little better. I stop for a moment. I look at the calendar on the wall. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tuesday is not as bad as Monday. That thought stays with me. It makes me smile a little. I take a deep breath. Monday is almost over.
Thinking positive, Monday will pass.
So that is why I do not like Mondays. They are long. They are tiring. They make me feel grumpy. But I try to think positive. My mom says after Monday, the week gets better. I hope she is right.
Great job today. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me. Every sentence made your English stronger. This story shows how simple daily life can help you learn English naturally. One story, one feeling, and one day at a time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Remember, listen, repeat, speak. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.